already have one of these set up and I am so thrilled with these new lights. It is a set of 2 and here is what you get. We're going to set one up together. It's the UBeesize LED video lights, tripod stands with multiple colors. To assemble is very straightforward. You can make it go up and down. It has a ball so you can rotate it. You just slide in the different colors and plug it into USB. So let's go through what you get in the box. First up is the tripod stand itself. It is very durable. It is a high quality piece with a lot of options to make it go quite tall. Just loosen these up and pull up until you get to the height that you want it to be at. Next is the rotating ball bearing, and this just goes right on top of the tripod so you can control where your light is aiming. The tripod will have this little plastic tip on the top, so take that off and twist on your ball bearing. And then the ball bearing just tightens and loosens with its own twist so you can control where it goes. And then we have the main piece, which is the light itself. So the light comes with these plastic different colors. It starts with the white, and here's the USB cord, and the controls are on the cord for on and then high, low on the, and then you can dim it or increase the brightness. It's just an LED light, very simple, and then you can choose from all of these colors to give yourself a different lighting experience. So you can go from a warm light to a bright white light, or add some blue to increase contrast. Now I already have this one installed, so I've already seen how incredible it is. The tripod is very sturdy. It has a great brightness to it. I actually have this one kind of low on the brightness, but I could control that with this switch and go up, and I can go down. And then you can also control the colors simply by sliding this piece out and putting in the color that you want. So for example, here is the orange, and you can just pick whatever color gives the right lighting for your space, for your shoot. To play around, I am currently shining the blue light on this, and now I've removed the blue and put back in the white, and you can really see how that gives me a lot of brightness to work with. It can really increase the focus that I can have on different items in my space. This is an excellent set.